Hello and welcome to our brand new video. Today I'll show you how to use Figma to create a beautiful website foundation. I'll show you from the ground up. You will watch this video all the way through and I'll walk you through the steps. So let's get the party started. When I'm open Figma, you will show this type of interface. First, I select this icon and see right sidebar. I'm choosing wireframe, so you can choose desktop, no problem. Now this is part where we are designing our entry. I'll change the color to dark. First of all, add a layout grid to arrange your design section. I'll choose the column and insert the value 12. That means this total design is divided into 12 pieces. It's used only for a design purpose. It is not included inside when we export the design. Now we will design our artwork. First, include heading. Simply click the text icon or press T on your keyboard as a shortcut key. I'm going to write pricing and add another text for the subheading. I need some text in my subheading. Go to the plugin icon, search for 𝗙𝗵𝘁. And add some text in the subheading. Now I am rearrange and center the text to the bottom. I will change the font to Poppins. Let's insert a button and again add a text. I would write build yearly. Change the text color. Then right click on your mouse, make a frame selection. Okay. Now fill this container. So this is how you can create a button easily. Now I will make it rounded corner. Just click here and add the amount of roundness. Again, create another button beside the build yearly button. This button is named build monthly in the same process. Just right click and select frame and customize a little bit. When I am done, simply select two buttons at a time and press Ctrl G to group and place it in the center. Next, add a block for package details. First, scale the total area. Then divide it into 3 and make it the center. Now I want to change my grid style to row. Insert a package title and customize it. Then insert a price tag and resize it. Okay, now add the package description. Then add your package details. I want to show you how I made a structure simple and clean for visitor to understand. Now add an icon. Just go to plugin and search for an icon. You can see lots of popular websites are integrated to Figma. You can easily access everything on this Figma screen. I want to group this icon and text. Then duplicate and place it another row. Now replace this icon and insert the cross mark icon. I'm going to replace this text with our package word. When finished editing, select all and group them without a card. Rearrange to the center. Now click Alt and drag to duplicate this card and move to the left side. Then again Alt and drag to the duplicate and move to the right side. Then scale a rectangle to simplify our design. Replace the title, price tag and other text. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or face any trouble, please comment below. I'll reply as soon as possible. This is the part 1 video tutorial. I will upload full website design tutorial and apply to the live website. Now I can simply copy all frames and create a group to export our final output in PNG or any format you want. So this is how you can design your website framework. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to avoid missing any updates. Take care. See you soon.